Theodore, come help Bob. Got another job going. I'm getting the things and parts I need out of the metal toolbox. Got ready to use this and notice that one of these holding nuts is missing. Trying to do this but holding the camera at the same time. Nice thing about these versus the old style rivets is that I don't have to take this sickle bar out, this 9-foot sickle bar, in order to replace just a single section, or in this case just replace one of the nuts. So while we're here, I'll go down through here, spot check, make sure. Okay, looks like we got another one that's loose. I'll put a mark on that and let it run for a few minutes, and if it comes loose again, I'll put a new nut on it. So looking at the rest of these, looks like we're okay. Come help, Paul, I'm fixing it.